In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI to Gmail. By the end, you'll have Google's built-in smart features working, plus optional tools that bring AI right into your inbox for drafting, summarizing, and managing emails faster. Start by opening Gmail in a web browser. Once you're in your inbox, click the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll until you find Smart Compose, Smart Reply, and Smart Features. Turn these on. Smart Reply suggests quick responses. Smart Compose predicts text as you type. And Smart Features help with things like extracting event details and organizing messages. These are Google's native AI tools, and they work instantly in your Compose window and reply box. Next, look at the top right corner of Gmail for the Gemini icon, which looks like a small star. If you see it, click to open the side panel. This panel can help you draft or refine emails while you work. Availability can vary by account type and region, so don't worry if it's not there yet. Now let's add optional AI help via your browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store at chromewebstore.google.com and search for extensions like Cider, Monica, Perplexity, or Answer AI. Pick one you trust, then click Add to Chrome and confirm. Review the permissions so you know what the tool can access. If a prompt includes an option labeled None, select None. To proceed without enabling extra site permissions you don't need. Back in Gmail settings, you may see a link labeled Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. Click that, then choose Google Workspace Smart Features. Toggle these on and save. This ensures Gmail and related Google apps can use enhanced AI capabilities across your account. If you're on a work or school account, some options may depend on your admin. From your Gmail right sidebar, click the plus icon to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for AI or specific tools like JotForm Gmail AI Agent or Gemelius. Click Install to add the add-on and follow the prompts to grant access so it can appear in your Gmail side panel. Finally, in the Gemini app, open Settings and enable extensions or connect apps. Turn on the Google Workspace extension so Gemini can help with your emails, docs, and Drive content. Only enable this if you're comfortable with the access, and you can turn it off anytime. That's it. Your Gmail now has built-in intelligence plus optional AI tools to supercharge your inbox. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.